from Kids Katona and Ava from the Engineering Kids. And today we have a song for you. It's about rain. Yep, really sad.
It's very sad. It's about rain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He fell off his bed, bumped his head, and he couldn't wake up in the morning. Jazz hands!
Awesome job, girls. Thanks for watching.